Hello everyone. This video will guide you on how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. Unfortunately, dark mode or theme is not enabled by default on Windows 11. When you purchase a computer pre-installed with Windows 11 or install a fresh Windows 11 on your old PC, by default, the light mode or light theme is enabled irrespective of Windows editions. Let it be Windows 11 Home or Pro Edition, by default, you will get the light theme activated on your computer or laptop. Fortunately, you can quickly switch to dark mode on Windows 11 if you need it. Here is how to do it. How to enable dark mode in Windows 11? To quickly enable dark mode or theme in Windows 11, right-click on free space on the desktop and select the Personalize option from the context menu. When you're done, the Personalization Settings page will open. On the right sidebar, click on the Windows Dark Theme under the Select a Theme to Apply section. That's it. Windows 11 will now wear a dark theme. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.